A Brownsville man's legal troubles just got a lot worse. He got a $1,500 fee for failing to appear in court, and he's already spent 15 days in jail for the crime he was accused of. Channel 5's Daisy Martinez spoke with the courts to find out how to avoid this legal mess. Daisy?
Idam Hilton thought the courts would stay on top of him and come looking for him to remind him of his court dates. The reality is there's just too many cases, too little time. Cameron County District Clerk Sylvia Garza Perez tells us it's ultimately up to each person to deal with their own legal issues.
They sent me the letter telling me that I missed the court date.
This is a court judgment ordering Idam Hilton to pay some $1,500 in court fees. It's for a personal recognizance bond revoked when Hilton failed to show up in court on the designated date to discuss a trespassing charge. The district attorney's office wants its money because he was a no-show. Hilton claims he never got a notice telling him when to appear in court.
I understand that I missed a court date, but I never got a notice. But I wasn't hiding. I went and I spoke to them. I went to the courthouse. I said, well, if you have to arrest me, well, here I am, but I don't think I should be held responsible. I never got a notice, and I never got that second notice for the bond forfeiture hearing either.
Cameron County Clerk Sylvia Garza Perez says those notices were sent to the address on file for Hilton. Hilton confirmed that address for Channel 5 News. He eventually did make it to court to settle the criminal case against him. He served 15 days in jail and thought it was over. Sylvia Garza Perez says, unfortunately, it's not. Because Hilton broke his original agreement with the courts to show up for his hearing as scheduled, he automatically forfeited his PR bond, and he is still responsible for it.
To make sure that you're in contact with the office that you're dealing with. Sometimes things change according to legislature, and there's things that we can help you with, and there's things that we can't help you with. But I think the biggest thing is, make a call and ask questions.
Garza Perez adds people shouldn't wait for their legal issues to catch up to them. Once a judge signs off on an order, there's nothing the county clerk's office can do except send the notices.
Whatever charges or fines are given, they are not fines that we give. That's the judge's discretion.
Court records indicate that Hilton has only this outstanding case. At this point, Hilton will have to meet with a judge and try to make his case about not receiving the paperwork as scheduled for his initial court appearance. Now, Garza Perez tells us citizens have to be responsible and provide a valid and true address of where they can be reached. Just because you don't get a notice in the mail doesn't mean your case has been dismissed. Idam Hilton now tells us he's already planning to make an appointment with a judge. Live from the Cameron County Newsroom, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at 6.